This tutorial will cover the error code 1900 and how to correct it on your error resolution report. First, you'll need to navigate to the error resolution report. From the error resolution report homepage, you'll see the list of errors and warnings, and notice that the error code 1900 is colored in red. This means that this is a required error to be corrected before we continue processing your enrollment file. To review the student records, you'll need to click on the error code 1900, and it'll bring you to the list of students. The error code 1900 occurs when a moved or changed 2010 CIP code is found in the student's history or on their current record and is now linked to the reported 2020 CIP code. To clear the error, you will need to review the records and approve the CIP code linkage between the 2010 and the 2020 codes. You can mask correct all of these records by clicking the Update All Records for Error link at the top of the list of records flagging the error. And then you'll need to click the acknowledgement pop-up stating that you approve of the linkage between the 2010 and the 2020 CIP codes. If you choose not to do a mask correction on the records, you will need to review and then check the box on the right side of each student record before clicking the acknowledgement pop-up. By clicking the acknowledgement pop-up, you're stating that the previously reported program, the 2010 CIP code, corresponds with the incoming program with the new 2020 CIP code, and that it is okay for the clearinghouse to link these two programs together. At the bottom of the page, with the students listed under the error code, you'll also see a link to the NCES crosswalk table that shows the mapping between the 2010 and the 2020 CIP codes, as well as our CIP code linkage FAQs that includes some of our most frequently asked questions and answers regarding the 2020 CIP code changes. When you click on the Details button on the left side of each student record, you'll be brought to a screen similar to this one. This shows the student's campus level enrollment and program level enrollment data. It helps show you the program in which the CIP codes map to each other on the crosswalk table. You'll notice the unreported program at the bottom of the page is the previously reported or changed 2010 CIP code, and the 11th field on the program states that it was moved and linked to the new incoming Program 2 on the student's record, which reported the 2020 CIP code. Please also note that this 11th field is not something you need to update your enrollment files with, and is just an add-on field on your error resolution report to show the linkage between the 2010 and the 2020 program. For file assistance, you can also download our most recently updated version of the Program and Testing Guide. If you have any additional questions regarding error code 1900, please feel free to reach out to us at schoolops@studentclearinghouse.org.